Hi there, and welcome to this episode of Consciousness Fucking Empowerment. Here we talk about consciousness, the law of attraction, the laws of the universe, and how to reach your fucking dreams. So, yesterday night I was scrolling through TikTok. It was at the end of the day, so just messing around. Sometimes some funny shit comes up, and I found a video of Lefty Gunplay, and I love his interviews. I seen a few of his interviews. I saw one full one on Indicted, and another one just kind of No Jumper, just the first part. But what resonated with me on his interviews was the times he visualized, right? He was visualizing and talks about manifesting. He talks about wanting to follow his dreams. Okay, so he's locked up and he's in the cell. He's like, man, one of the things I regret is like not following my dreams. But like, bro, he's still young, so he's doing it. That's what's powerful about being locked up or being isolated for a long time. If you can do that, you can isolate yourself somewhere where you can't move, you can't go anywhere, so you only have your thoughts with you. So you're just thinking and thinking and thinking and thinking, okay, when I get out, I'm gonna do X, Y, Z. And you're visualizing it, you're visualizing it, you're visualizing it, you're visualizing it. And then you get to that fucking vibration and you get to do it. Because there's so much belief in your subconscious mind. But there's something very important that I didn't have when I was locked up is this understanding of raising my vibration. Lefty talks about he's not happy. If you listen to him, he's like, man, I'm not happy. I want to get out of the hood. I want to get out of this. So listen to him. If you're fucking up right now, maybe in your mind you're not fucking up, but you're doing bad shit. Your conscience is telling you, hey man, don't do it. Don't rob that person. Shouldn't be killing that person. Things like that. Because I had those thoughts, but I still did them when I was messing around in the past. And when I got released, I wanted to be good, but I didn't have an understanding of raising my frequency and my emotions. I learned this from Wes Watson. Wes Watson, he knew. He just had so much pain, right, from not having love. So he gave it to himself. He got internal validation. So while I was walking to the gym and listening to Audible and listening to Jerry and Esther Hicks, what resonated with me today was the moment you get up, the moment you open your eyes, you begin to appreciate things around you. Ask yourself, what are you grateful for? And why do you appreciate them? That's what's helping me. Okay, Jerry and Esther Hicks said, look at things that will make you feel good. What will make me feel good? What are things that I can feel good about, right? What are things that I can feel good about? For me, what's helped me is gratitude, right? They also mentioned gratitude. So it's appreciation of the things that you have, even life itself. I wake up, I say, thank you for my apartment. I appreciate this beautiful apartment. Thank you for my bed. I appreciate my big ass bed. Thank you for my legs. I appreciate that I can walk. I'm grateful for these legs. This is my vehicle. This is where I go. This is what I use to go to places. And my days just started off right. I brush my teeth, get dressed, sit down, drink my cup of coffee, and I start writing down my gratitude and what I appreciate. And then I right away transition to meditation. Just breathing, controlling my breath. That's called mindful meditation. And then I open my chakras. Just imagine there's energy flowing through you from the bottom of your pelvic floor, or your balls, where your balls and your anus is at. Imagine energy there and just move it up, move it up, move it up. Okay. After that, I go to the gym. Okay, because it's already, by that time, I've already, brushed my teeth, got dressed. It's like 4 o'clock already, okay? 4 o'clock, 4:15. So just, maybe just do things a little bit more slowly, get dressed slowly, put things in my bag slowly, make sure I have everything slowly, clean a little bit just to kill some time. Like maybe 15 minutes, and then I walk to the gym. And as I'm walking to the gym, I'm raising my heart rate. My body is feeling good. I get a little tired, but by the time I get to the gym, I feel good. I'm like, whew, I'm ready. I'm up, I'm alive. And then I always, like, it's funny. My mind kind of goes, go slow, go slow. Don't go too hard today. But I go fucking hard once I start lifting the weight. Because I know that's what's good for me. It's like intuitive. Like, I know this is good for me. Boom. And I'm raising my vibration, like the way I'm fucking feeling. So I'm giving myself happiness. I'm forcing my emotions. I don't want to use force. I am deliberately increasing my frequency, increasing the way I feel into a positive vibration. Not that when I wake up, I feel negative. I'm just groggy. Just waking up. I have low energy. My body's been still, so I'm like, my leg goes up and I roll it off the bed like, So move. That's what's gonna help, okay? Help you raise your vibration. Now, as you begin to do this over and over and over again, your vibration is gonna stay at that level. And so when you get triggered or when you feel negative, you feel down, you'll notice it. And this is what I want to teach you, okay? This is gonna impact your fucking life. Because it's fucking helped me and it's impacted my life. Shout out Aries, my dating coach. I'm gonna put his link right here below, his YouTube channel. And he taught me this from the Sedona method, okay? Because I had the book, I just never applied it. He said, release your emotion. When you're triggered, release the emotion. And I'm gonna give you another one. I'm gonna give you two things that you can do, okay? Release the emotion. So one thing you can do is ask yourself, what do I need to believe in order for me to have this experience? When I mean this experience is this feeling. So rewind this if you didn't catch it, and then write it down. And then when you feel negative, maybe you're feeling negative right now, you're angry at somebody or something. Which I doubt, because this is a high vibration fucking video. But put it in your notes and put it questions to ask when, or chestnuts for winter, chestnuts for winter. Meaning, when you're feeling negative and you just bring out those chestnuts when you're feeling negative to come back. Sorry, Papa, I moved the couch. And Spike is right there. And so then it'll come up to you what belief you have, and you're gonna say, man, just change the belief. It might be a bullshit ass belief, so you're like, man, that's bullshit. Or you're gonna be like, all right, let me change that. Let me reframe that to make it into a positive one where I am good. Like, for example, when I'm on the bus, sometimes I get a little anxiety, maybe because it's too much coffee. And I say, okay, what do I need to believe to have this? Like, it's not safe to be in public. So I'm like, okay, let's change that. I am safe. I am always safe. I live in a peaceful and safe world. My world is safe, okay? I don't know about other people's worlds, but my world is safe. And I release it and I'm good. And the next one, I fucking love. You could feel into the emotion if you're angry or whatever, because usually for me it's anger. Maybe yours is depression, anxiety. So I feel anger and I just feel into the anger, I allow myself to feel the anger and like it pops, okay? You dive into it and it goes away. There's another way you can do this. It's a more like subtle, sometimes it goes right away, but it's a slow way to get it out. You ask yourself 5 questions. So write this down. The first one, what am I feeling? Okay? Answer the question, whatever the feeling is. Can I allow myself to feel this feeling? Answer whatever it is. Usually say yes. You want it to be yes eventually. You eventually want all of these to be yeses, but whatever the answer comes up, just be honest, be authentic, be real. Can I release this emotion? Again, be real, answer it. Would I release this emotion? Mine's usually yes, but sometimes can I release this? I say no, like my body wants to hold no. So I say, would I release this? I'm like, yeah, I would. And then I say when, and then I go now, and I snap my finger. Right now. Okay, you could just say now, but I like to say now. And it releases that emotion, that negative emotion. Sometimes you could do it for high positive ones. You're so excited, like, oh my God, I'm so excited. If you go up there, because I meditate, I'm always usually right here. I'm at joy, calmness and joy, not at super excitement, or super enthusiasm. I'm at joy and a little bit of enthusiasm. That's what meditation does. It brings you present. Because as soon as you raise your vibration, you're going to be in that vibration all the time. But yeah, things will make you go down. You might get angry. Something might happen that you didn't expect. So you have to release it, okay? And then that's how you always stay in a high vibration. Acknowledge the negative. That's the first step. And then pivot. So life is more about vibration than anything else. Vibration than anything else. I'm going to repeat that again. Life is more about vibration than anything else. Okay? So we're all doing time. Okay, going back to how I started this, Lefty Gunplay, being locked up and dreaming, me being locked up and dreaming, Wes Watson. He doesn't really talk about his dreams, but he talks about his vibrational effort. Him trying to increase his vibration, and then him dreaming about going back and becoming a good man that he admires. One that has money, one that has a family with kids, etc. Right? But he's more about doing the fundamentals, which is fucking important, which now I'm applying. Doing the fucking fundamentals to raise my frequency, raise my vibration. As soon as I wake up, as soon as these eyes open. Okay? Showing appreciation. Showing gratitude, looking at things that make me feel good, okay? Making rules that make me feel good. Rules that give you self-respect and self-validation are non-negotiable. Those rules are non-negotiable. Make those rules and make them non-negotiable, okay? Got that from Wes Watson. Rules that garner self-respect are non-negotiable. Like working out, meditation, gratitude. The moment you wake up. This is why I wake up at 2:45 a.m. For you, it might be 4 a.m., whatever it is. Listen to your conscience. Your conscience is always guiding you, okay? So, do time, okay? Do time. We're doing time right now. You don't have to be in prison to be doing time. We're doing time right now. The thing about people who are doing time, they know how to do time. They know how to live, okay? In a high frequency, because what else you can do? You're in a cell. You can't be complaining and bitching about it. So you have a program. Okay, so do your time, do your life. Don't let time do you. I love you. Until next time, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if this resonated, this helped you, this is helping you, share it with somebody that you fucking love. Okay, till next time, peace.